What's up guys, we're back again today with another great video, and in today's video we're actually going to be changing the Highlander's air filter or the engine filter. You're supposed to change those around, Toyota says, between 15,000 miles and 30,000 miles. So we're at 20,000 right now, so kind of in that middle point. But we're going to go ahead and change it now because I did check it a week or two ago and it was getting kind of dirty. So let's go ahead and we'll jump into the video and I'll show you how easy it is to change the air filter yourself. Alright, so first things first, you're going to need your new air filter. So as you guys can see, this is a factory air filter straight from the Toyota dealership, and here is your part number if you guys need it. We just went ahead and got this one because I had to pick up some other stuff from the dealership. You can also get these off of Amazon or Walmart. You'll just have to check and see what filter your car is supposed to take. So here is what the new one looks like. Obviously at Walmart they have those little books on the shelf so you can flip through and you can find, it'll say what year your car is, and then obviously where the Highlanders have the two different engine types, the 4 cylinders and the V6s now. You'll just have to look and see what engine it is, and then the air filter should be there. Pretty simple. So if you guys want to pick up one from Walmart or your Advanced Auto or O'Reilly's, it'll be pretty simple. You can get them from there as well. So let's go ahead and we'll get the hood up and I'll show you guys how to pull out the old filter. Alright, so we do have the V6 model, in case you guys were wondering. Right here you can see. So you're going to go right over here and you're going to unclip this clip here and this clip here, and once you do that you can lift the box straight up like this, and then as you can see your filter is right there. So I'm going to set the camera down real quick and pull it out, that way I can hold this up and pull the filter out, and I'll show you how dirty ours is after 20,000 miles. Alright, so as you guys can see, here is the old filter right here. So obviously you can tell it's pretty dirty compared to this one. As you guys can see, we're getting leaves and debris in there, so it probably is a good time to change it. So now what you're going to want to do is take this straight over and we'll just put it in the same way we just took that one out. So it goes with the fin down. So lift it up, slide it in, and then we'll put the clips back together, and that's all it is. Really simple and easy maintenance that you guys can do at home. Also guys, when you're putting the filter back in, you'll see on the back side right here there's two little loop clips. I know it's kind of hard to see, but there's two little clips, and then there's these notches on the back of your box right here, and they actually slide into those, and then the front goes down, and that's where the metal clips come up and clip in. So just make sure that you slide the clips right here in the back underneath the loops. Alright, so here is a better view of what that looks like right here. See, there's the loop going across, and then there's the plastic clip going into it. So just make sure on the back side that you do get those in, that way it's good and tight. And then as you guys can see, you reach down right here and push it down and put your metal clip over. Same thing right here, push it down and bring your metal clip over, and then there you go. You have a new engine filter or new air filter installed, and you're ready for another 15 to 30,000 miles is what Toyota says. I would probably change it right in the middle, kind of like how we did. Probably another 20,000 miles, we'll put another one in. Alright guys, so as you can see, that is a pretty easy process to change your engine filter. Also, this allows you to kind of check it yourself to see if it actually needs to be changed or not, because sometimes the dealerships want you to do all this stuff and maybe you don't even need it changed. So don't let them keep pulling the wool over your eyes. Now you guys know where your engine filter is, and if it's getting dirty and you actually need one, you guys can go to the Advanced, O'Reilly's, or your local dealership, get you a filter and pop it in yourself. Takes 5 minutes, and then you can know that you've done it the correct way and know that you actually needed one. So anyway guys, like I said before, thank you for watching. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so I can make some more videos for you guys. And if you guys have any tips for the other people watching this video, please put them down in the comments. There might be better filters to get than the factory filters, some good aftermarket options or anything like that. This is my first time changing it, so I really hadn't looked into aftermarket options. So please, if there is better filters or a better way to do something, please leave it down in the comments so we can help each other out and create a community. So anyway guys, peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is